beloved child, stay with me. If you rush through this moment, you will miss what I'm about to place in your hands. If you stop listening too soon, you will walk away before the gift is fully given. Remain here through every word I speak. There is something waiting at the end that will unlock everything you hear at the beginning. This message, it reveals itself completely only when you reach the final breath. You are standing at the edge of something new. Behind you, old wounds still whisper. Ahead of you, the unknown stretches wide and silent. But this moment, this exact moment, is not an accident. I am here, in the space between what was and what will be. I do not live inside time the way you do. I am outside of minutes, beyond calendars, untouched by the turning of days. Yet I choose certain moments and say, pay attention here. This is one of those moments. For you, listen slowly. I am speaking to you not to pressure you, but to anchor you. Do not hurry past what I am about to say. Let your soul be still enough to truly hear me. If distractions pull at you, gently set them down. You are not being selfish by giving me your full attention. You are being wise. What you hear now will shape everything that comes next. Before I speak of what is ahead, I want you to know, I saw everything that just passed. I saw the losses you couldn't explain, the questions that sat heavy in your chest like stones, the nights when you were too tired to cry, so you just lay there, silent, waiting for sleep. I saw the quiet courage when you got up anyway. I saw when you held yourself together for others while falling apart inside. I saw when you chose kindness when bitterness would have been easier. I saw when you forgave without ever receiving an apology. I saw when you worshipped me with trembling hands and a breaking heart. You thought you were barely surviving, but in my eyes you were standing bravely. You thought you were failing, but I saw you enduring. Nothing you faced was wasted, not the confusion, not the delay, not the heartbreak, not the waiting. All of it shaped your capacity to receive what I am about to give you. You did not find this message by accident. This is an appointed conversation between your heart and mine. I scheduled this moment. I aligned everything so that right now, at this exact time, you would be able to hear what you could not have understood before. There were words I wanted to say to you months ago, but your heart was still bleeding too openly. You needed comfort more than direction, and I gave you that. Now something has settled. You are not perfectly healed, but you are ready. The soil of your soul has been turned, and now I can plant what will grow. So do not step away before this word finishes its work. Let me speak plainly about what is ending. There are patterns that will not continue. There are cycles that break here. There are weights that will not follow you, if you will let them go. You have carried shame that never belonged to you, expectations that were never mine, responsibilities I never assigned, voices that spoke louder than my truth. These things cannot walk with you into what is coming. Listen carefully. Some of what you call your personality is actually just protection. Some of what you call reality is actually fear dressed up as wisdom. Some of what you call loyalty is really chains that I am now unlocking. What is ahead is not just a new page, it is a new chapter with a different tone. But chapters do not change themselves. You must close the book on certain stories. You must allow me to say, enough, over patterns that were never your portion. If you step forward still clinging to the old burdens, you will think nothing has changed, when in truth, I had already shifted the season, but your hands were still holding yesterday. I am not offering you vague sayings like, it will get better, or things will work out. I am speaking specific promises over what comes next. Listen closely. This season will bring deeper clarity. Confusion will not rule you the way it did before. You will not understand everything at once, but you will sense clearly what is yours and what is not. This season will bring quiet strengthening. You may not see fireworks, but you will find yourself standing in places that once made you tremble. You will look back and say, I am not the same person I was. This season will bring right alignment. Some relationships will gently fade. Others will arrive softly, without noise, yet carry great depth. I am bringing people into your life who match your calling, not just your comfort. This season will bring reawakened hope. Dreams you quietly buried will begin to stir again. Not all will bloom immediately, but their roots will come alive. These are not slogans. These are commitments from my heart to yours. But hear this carefully. These promises unfold as you walk, not as you sprint. If you grasp only the promise and ignore the process, you will grow frustrated. Some things can only grow at the speed of trust. What is coming is not a quick fix season. It is a deep root season. I am not giving you temporary flashes of blessing. I am establishing something that lasts. You will need patience, because seeds do not bloom the day they are planted. You will need stillness, because my voice is often found in the quiet, not in the noise. You will need listening, because my guidance will sometimes come as a gentle nudge, not a shout. Do not despise the slow days. Do not curse the silent weeks. Do not assume nothing is happening when you cannot see movement. In those times, I am often doing my most delicate work. I must warn you, not to frighten you, but to protect you. There are 3 quiet dangers to watch for. Distraction. Not every open door is your door. Not every invitation is an assignment. Good opportunities can still be diversions. Learn to ask, is this from you, Lord, or just noise? Hurrying. If you rush ahead of me, you will create burdens I never asked you to carry. Your pace matters. Let me set the rhythm. Listening only halfway. You will hear, I am with you, but you must also hear, walk this way. You will hear, I will bless you, but you must also hear, stay close. Do not nibble on my words, feast on them. Before you step forward, know this firmly. I am already there. I have walked every day you will live. I have seen every challenge, every conversation, every crossroad. I have prepared strength for the moment you think you cannot go on. I have stored joy for the day you feel empty. You are not walking into an unknown future. You are walking into a future where I am waiting. Take my hand, not just as a feeling, but actively. Welcome me into your decisions. Invite me into the ordinary moments. Let me be your first thought, not your last resort. Now, slowly, let me speak the core of it. What is coming will be a season of guided becoming. Not frantic striving, not aimless wandering, but intentional, spirit-led becoming. You will not have to invent yourself. You will discover who you have always been in me. This season, I promise you, you will come to know my voice more clearly than ever before. You will see old chains weakened and broken, sometimes quietly, sometimes suddenly. You will walk through doors that fit you, not costumes that exhaust you. You will find that strength appears when you need it, even when you feel unqualified. And understand this, the promise I am giving is not a single event. It is a path. What you are hearing now will guide you through conversations months from now, through decisions you have not yet faced, through storms you have not yet seen. That is why I told you from the beginning. Do not rush past this moment. What you hear now will echo all year. Breathe deeply and listen. This season is not accidental. You are not late to your own life. You are not trailing behind my will. You stand right on time, in my plan. What you have just heard is your compass. When you feel lost, return to these words. When you feel rushed, remember my pace. When you feel unseen, recall that I see everything. Your past has been honored. Your future has been named. Your heart has been reassured. Your path has been marked. You are safe in me. You are chosen for this exact time. You are ready, not because you feel ready, but because I go with you. I will walk beside you through every sunrise and every midnight. You will not take a single step alone. Let peace settle over you now. Let hope rise quietly, but surely. Let gratitude whisper, thank you. You were right to stay until the end. The promise is now fully revealed. Walk into what is coming, knowing this. You are not behind. You are not forgotten. You are not unprepared. You are held. You are guided. You are loved. And I, the Lord your God, will be with you in every step of the season that now begins. Amen.